Hello friends, it's been a while since I uploaded. We're going to go over the reasons what's happening with the car, and we're going to discuss a little bit what the future of this project will be, because some stuff have come in between. So firstly, I'm sorry for the lack of consistency with the videos, but I had a pretty serious surgery about 3 weeks ago, which required me to be in bed for quite some time. I still cannot work on the car because it's physically very demanding, and I'm still weak and in pains, so I can only sit here. My father has been working a little bit on it as much as he could, but it's still easier if two people are working on it. Now, this stuff happens in life, you know, life comes in between with your project, and sometimes you have to take a pause and come back to it later, but it's quite alright. But I was hoping, the aim was that the car would be resprayed before winter because it would be protected from rusting, but currently it doesn't look like we're going to do the body work to the point that we can respray the body, so we're going to see. Now, another problem is that as it turns out, my father will also need surgery in I think 2 weeks, and then I will also undergo another surgery because of some stuff, so I'll have another pretty serious surgery in September. Today is 30th of July, so you kind of have a timeline there. Now, if I'll be having surgery in September, the recovery from that one is about 8 weeks, so it will cut deep into the winter, so we'll see what we'll do then. The videos will be coming out because I still have a lot of material shot that we've been doing with the car. As you can see, the car is progressing. We've done one side is pretty close to being finished. Not very close, but a lot closer than it was. We have the floor in, the seals are getting on, the back is getting new metal, so we're getting kind of close. But I like to say that, because I know that some people are dealing with stuff like that, stuff like this you have to overcome. You have to take care of your health first, and project will wait. Now, I'm not thinking about stopping with the project or selling it or anything like this, because this is my dream car, and I have said that we're going to do this, and we are, because you kind of have to keep your words and your promises. My father is also determined that we'll finish this project. You'll be seeing a lot more of Manta in the future. I think that we can sail through this crisis with videos that has been done and what we'll shoot now and stuff like this, so you will not be affected as much. But I just wanted to kind of clarify how things stand, so you'll have a better visual of how this project is going. Now, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. But I'm still satisfied. I am back in the workshop after 1 month now, and it's pretty nice to see the car, and I can't wait to get better so I can start working. It's really a great hobby, and I like to do that, so it kind of keeps me up. So, if you're dealing with stuff like this or some other problems, I like to say that it will pass. We can overcome problems, and in no time we'll be back and keep building on our dream cars and stuff like that. So hold on, and we will see each other in the next video. Bye.